So in this video, I'm going to talk about the differences between our prelim and our opening sequence, and I'll also talk about what we learned in our prelim, and I'll highlight things that didn't work in our prelim and how we use that knowledge to help us achieve the best product we could with our final opening sequence. So going through our prelim, so here we try to go in closer and we try to have a variety of different shots, and this is something we followed in our opening sequence. Again, here you can see like all the matching actions, and this is what we try to represent in our final opening sequence. So the way we did our shoot was the same with both our opening sequence and our prelim. We had a clear shot list which we followed. We also improvised, so we tried new angles and new shot types with the same action happening on screen. If you look here, the camera is actually out of focus and then it comes in focus. So again, I'll show you another example. If you look here, initially it's out of focus and then he comes into focus. So this was probably because we were slightly inexperienced then. However, we've improved and we made sure we had it, and we never made those mistakes in the real thing. Again, here we did match and action, and as you can see here, it was blurry at the start, and then we followed this like match and action here as well. Again, it is out of focus. The editing process was very similar. We captured in a similar way, we used the timeline in a similar way, and we reordered according to how we wanted to create the order. So we did actually shoot in that order, but when we edited, we altered it, and even when we were editing, we made changes to the initial order we had on our shot list to make sure the narrative made sense, as some people didn't understand it with our prelim. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening.